Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be showing you guys what foreground can do to your cinematic footage. And today that is going to be our subject, so let's get going. So first things first, you obviously want to get an establishing shot of whatever you're shooting. What I'm going to start doing from now on is I'm going to be starting to get a close, medium, and wide shot. It doesn't matter what order you go in. You just want to really get those three types of videos in your cinematic footage so they will look a lot better. Okay, and next I actually want to talk to you guys about foreground. Okay, foreground can make or break your videos. Okay, I'm being honest with you. I have just now started utilizing that, and I'm going to be putting that to the test in all of my future videos. So it really adds depth to your videos. So I strongly suggest any of you guys who are actually doing cinematic video or you know, B-roll type videos to use that technique. And foreground is what is in front of your image. It really just adds depth. Okay, let me just give you an example. So foreground in this image right here would be me focusing on the car back there, the foreground being this wooden panel right here. So it just really just adds depth to your footage. If you don't use your techniques the way that you're supposed to, your videos won't really come out the way that you want them to, right? You know, foreground is really a main part in videography and cinematography. So if you have a chance to use foreground, which 99% of you will, I suggest you use it. So yeah. You know, the hardest part about being a YouTuber is forgetting what you were gonna say, okay? I know you may think it's like the lighting, the videography, the camera, the editing, blah, blah, blah. But man, if you're gonna be a good YouTuber, you gotta remember what you were gonna say, okay? Maybe I just need to start writing scripts for every single one of my videos. But anyways, I am gonna show you guys how I shot that cinematic video in the beginning. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, on shooting the cinematic video, I started to get close, medium, and wide shots of the car back there. I started using foreground, and then I also incorporated in-camera transitions, okay? So all three of those techniques, you put those in your videos, and I'm telling you guys, it's gonna make it a whole lot better. Okay, so this is obviously not the lens that I was using for the cinematic video, but I'm gonna kind of show you how I really went about shooting that video. Okay, so first thing I used a big subject in front of my main subject to create that foreground kind of depth of field, you know, and then I used a wide shot along with that. So foreground and the wide shot. I tried to get about 2, 3 of the wide shots, you know. When I get home and edit, I don't want to just have one wide shot that I'm editing, you know, and if it's not good, I don't just want to, you know, get rid of it. I want to have multiple so I can fall back on it, you know. Second is the medium shot, okay? It's kind of like showing the curves and the light and the reflection of the car. It's really beautiful under these trees because it casts a great shadow and a good, nice, dark reflection onto the car. So it helped me a lot with the beauty of that shot, if we're gonna be honest. Okay, so the next shot that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is the close-up shot. So whenever you're watching a cinematic video, you don't always see the wide shots. You don't always see just the medium shots. You don't always see just the close-up shots, okay? You see a variety and a mixture of all three. There is so much to learn about videography and cinematography that I'm just trying to teach you guys the little bit that I know. You know what I'm talking about? If you want to make a good cinematic video, you have to incorporate all three of those into your video. You have to do foreground, you have to get a good depth of field, blah, 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 all this crap that I could ramble on about all day. Like literally, I could probably talk to you guys for about 12 hours about this stuff. If you guys want to tune in, maybe I might go live one day. I don't know, who knows? But I just noticed that that gate down there is open, and that field over there is really beautiful, so maybe one day I can go inside of it, maybe, if it's not blocked off or it's not like private property. I kind of want to get some shots in there, okay, because that is a beautiful place to be. Anyways, I think I'm done with the spot that I'm at. I've been here for about let's see, too long. I was supposed to be going somewhere this morning and shooting a video, but you know, things happen. I'm not able to. We are going to head back to the house, put that cinematic video that you guys already saw, and I'm going to edit it. If you guys like this video, please let me know down in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. So I'll catch you guys on the flip.